popular neighborhood of Gulf Gate home available at a great price, ready for your imagination and updating this 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home featuring a split floor plan for comfort and privacy. The oversized driveway offers plenty of space for parking, while the large covered and screened lanai is perfect for enjoying the Florida lifestyle year-round. Inside, the primary suite includes tile floors and a walk-in closet, while the guest bedroom also features tile flooring, a spacious closet, and easy access to the second bathroom. A laundry/utility room under air adds convenience, and the 2-car garage includes built-in storage to keep everything organized. This home offers a great opportunity for updating and making it your own. Major improvements are already complete, including the full relining of the sewer lines all the way to the county connection, giving peace of mind to the next owner. Impact windows and sliding glass doors through most of the house. Ideally located in the sought-after Gulf Gate community, you'll enjoy nearby Gulf Gate Village with its wide variety of restaurants, bars, and unique shops. Additional shopping options like Costco, Target, and Lowe's are just minutes away. For outdoor fun, you're close to the world-famous Siesta Key Beach and Village as well as the Legacy Trail, a popular rails-to-trails pathway connecting Venice to downtown Sarasota.